Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. So it was a little while back, I did a review on the DJI Lavalier mic, and I know so many people have been waiting for it to come back in stock. Well, good news, it's back in stock. That's right. I'll put a link to it if you are looking to order it. And I ordered this second one to have as a backup because you never know if eventually the cord goes bad or the clip breaks. And what I like about the clip is that you could rotate it. And I'll put a link to my review. And the audio that you're hearing is working with the DJI wireless mic 1. I don't have the 2, it's with the 1, and it works well for my needs. I'm going to go outside here in a minute so you can hear how it sounds outside as well. But I also like the L shape with the way it lays flat, and it's worked really well. The cable's a little bit on the shorter side, but nonetheless, it still works. And again, I wanted you to be aware, if you are thinking about getting the DJI Lavalier mic, then you could check it out. And I also did a comparison to 2 other lavalier mics, which I'll share with you. Now it's time to head outside. Okay, so now outside, so you get an idea inside as well as outside. And I've been really happy with this lavalier mic. The audio, again, is unedited. And again, this works well in combination, at least with the wireless system 1. And if you use the 2, you'll have to see some of the other reviews. So here at the end of the video, you'll see the links to the other 2 videos that I did on this. One, again, comparing this lavalier mic to 2 others and just kind of talking more about this lavalier mic. Any questions you have, let me know. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.